in my head, and I could get you out of it if I could do it all again. I know I'd go back to you.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a DIY for you guys. I'm going to make some shaker tags, and I'm actually going to be using these window clings. So you can see here, I got these from Dollar Tree last year, and I'm pretty sure I saw them this year too. But you can buy these at your dollar store, like Dollar Tree, Dollar General, Family Dollar. I'm sure Walmart has them. So they're just these window clings, and what they are, let me decide which one I want to use. I think I'll make the purple one. So get it off here really quickly. All right, so they're super staticky because obviously they're supposed to cling to your window. So you just need to get the ones that are like the plasticky material. And my plan is, I have not done this yet. I'm doing this with you guys like live. So I was just thinking for a long time, what is a way I can use these besides using them as window clings in some kind of crafty way. So I'm going to attempt, hopefully it works, fingers crossed, to turn this into a little shaker tag using one of these clear plastic pages, and using, because normally you would use the two plastic pages and fuse them together. I'm just gonna use one sheet, and I'm gonna try to fuse it to this, and we'll see how it works. I don't know. I do have a plan B, just in case that doesn't work. So I'm gonna start by separating these two, because I only need one. And I think that I'm actually just gonna tape this back, so whatever I end up not using, I can just pull it back into place. Okay, so for me, I'm just gonna put a piece of like cardstock paper underneath, only because this gray and white background you guys can see here, it'll burn if I didn't. So, and this fuse tool, let me get it here for you guys. If you're looking to buy a fuse tool, there's a We Are Memories fuse tool. There's also this Project Life one, and I chose to buy this Project Life fuse tool because at Michael's it was like, I want to say it was around $30, and I had a half off coupon. I might have even had a 60% off coupon that day. So I got it for under $15, which I felt was a really, really good price. I'd been looking around on them for a while. So just some advice there if you're looking to buy a fuse tool. I also see them at Tuesday Morning a lot. But the one I'm using is a Project Life. So here is my plan to, hopefully, fingers crossed, fuse these two pieces together. So here's a really good thing. It clung to this plastic pretty well. And honestly, the fuse tool comes with one, it's just like a little tip, literally. That's all it is one like straight tip, and you can go through and you can just dot it along the way. And I probably should have done that instead of using the roller end. And yes, it's super hot, but it doesn't want to do that. I don't know, we'll see how this works. I'm just gonna have to be super, super careful. So, I'm gonna work fast, let's see. Maybe, let me see if it's working. Y'all, my fuse tool is literally smoking. It does not love this material, but it's working. Like, it doesn't look great. I'm gonna have to master making it look prettier. And I'm so sorry for my shadow, by the way. I really wanted to get this video to you guys, but I'm still waiting on my light that will actually look really good. My like LED light. So yeah, there is a shadow. I'm so sorry about the shadow right now. Oh, this is terrible. This is super messy. I just want to point out, this is so super messy, and it could be so much less messy if I was using that other tip. I'm just kind of going around the outside of it here the best that I can. Making sure the little window cling thing is like as even as it can be, I guess. This is gonna be like a trial and error kind of a thing. You have to really, here's what I'm finding out as I'm doing it. You have to really work fast because this little plastic part of the window cling is melting so much faster than these plastic sheets do. So you really have to work really fast. So here's my best advice to you now that I'm sitting here doing this. Don't use your little rolly tool thing. Use the single tip that it came with, because this would be so much easier if I was just sitting here like doing this, which I guess I can totally do. I can. Why was I not already doing this? So yeah, I don't try to roll it, I guess would be my advice. Just kind of like push it along the way. Don't try to roll it. I think after I'm done going around it, I'm going to flip it over and do it on the back. Okay, let's see what that did. Let's see if it got all the way through to the other side. Okay, it seems to have got all the way to the other side, so that's cool. Now that I'm on the back side, I think that I can roll it a lot better. You guys tell me that have a fuse tool and use it a lot down in the comments below. Do you double-sided fuse your stuff? Yeah, this side is so much easier. But I like to double side fuse my projects because so many times I've fused things before and the projects came apart later. Like I thought I had them fused pretty well, but they came apart. That was also like in my early days of using a fuse tool. So I feel like maybe I was using it and it wasn't hot enough yet at the time, but I don't know. I just always feel more comfortable double-sided fusing things. Ooh. Okay, that side went so much faster. All right, so I'm super excited now. Let's cut it out. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just realized I forgot to leave an opening to put my stuff inside, but that's really not a big deal. It's pretty easy to just pull the fuse apart. So after I get it cut out, I will pull a little bit of the fuse apart. So I'm gonna cut it out and then we will put the filling inside of it. All right, so there we have it. I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit right here. All right, so, I mean, although it's not totally pretty, like right here, the rest of it looks pretty decent. And I'm super excited to put some stuff inside of it and let's see what we can do. I guess even if you didn't want to fill it with some stuff on the inside, you could just leave it just like this. It did make it like heavier duty, and it doesn't make it to where it wants to like statically stick to stuff any longer. And you could just hole punch it and make it a tag that way. But I am gonna fill mine up. And like I said, I was so thinking about fusing everything together that I didn't even, how do I want to do this? Okay, so I'm just gonna reopen this best I can, because I wasn't thinking and I fused it all the way around and I needed to add some stuff to it. So I'll just fuse that back. After I'm done, it's just gonna add more to like it not being pretty at all, but whatever. Okay, so here we go. You can see here, it just created a little pocket. And I think I'm just gonna add to it the colors that are on the outside here to match it. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit of blue because of the little blue accents there. This will look super pretty with it. It's like a perfect purple for it. So a few of those. Maybe a couple of these little holographic ones. Those are super pretty. And then there are some pink, so I'll throw some pink in there. A few of the hot pink here. A few more purple. Let's see, any other ones I'm missing? I think that looks pretty good. There's a little bit of lime green there, but I don't have any lime green sequins, so I think that's pretty. So I'll throw those in there. And I'm already thinking it's gonna be super staticky for obvious reasons. So, I don't know. Let's find out. Is this going to be just super, super staticky? I mean, honestly, it's not too bad. Not too bad. I might have added a little too many sequins. Is that not such a trend for me? I always say like, oh, I think I added too many sequins. But I used to not add enough sequins to things. And then I just felt like, you know, I needed more sequins. So, all right, refuse this back together. See if that did it. Let's find out the hard way if that did it. Okay, all right, so that looks good. Awesome, okay, so here is what I am left with. On this side, it's just the really cute, adorable sugar skull, and then on the back side, you have all of your little sequin mix. This is super cute. I've had this idea in my head for a really long time, and I'm just so excited that it actually worked, that this little plastic actually fuses to this plastic, because it is a different type of plastic, so I didn't know if it would work. So as I go, definitely gonna work on making these prettier around the outside. It's not too bad. I don't know if you can tell, I know it's out of the light, but not too bad for my first one. But yeah, so I think that is probably a success. So I think now, I can't decide if I want to like put the tag here or just straight at the top. I think straight at the top is how we're gonna do it. And I think I am gonna add a brad to this one just to reinforce it. And I'm gonna put the hole right in the middle of all of those little decorative thingies. Let's see, what color brad do I want to use? I think to go along with these little, they look like leaves to me. They're kind of a reddish pink. I think I'll just use that red brad right there. This will also keep any sequins from sneaking out. Ta-da! All right, awesome, that looks so cute. I'm so excited about this. This looks so good. All right, now to decide what kind of ribbon I want to use. So I just decided to go with this ribbon that is like the color of the inside purple. It's kind of got an ombre effect to it. So it's got darker purple here and lighter purple here. So I decided to go with the lighter purple since you don't see a whole lot of it. So it'll kind of highlight it there. And there we go. All right, so I really love the way this turned out. This will be so much fun to add to some of my Happy Meals that I swap with my friends. I do plan on doing a Day of the Dead Sugar Skull Happy Meal swap soon, so I will be bringing you guys a video over that and just showing you everything I throw into that. Should be a lot of fun If you watch any of my previous videos, you know that I really love sugar skulls a lot, like a lot. So as always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would also really love it if you would join my YouTube family and subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of things like this, as well as Happy Meal openings, hauls, etc. And I would love to have you. I hope you guys have a great night. Thanks. Bye.